When I was first diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, I tried numerous diets to reverse it. I even tried a raw vegan diet, but I didn't know there were specific rules to follow and ended up with stomach aches, excess body fat, higher blood sugars, and more insulin resistance. Over the years, I accumulated injuries and autoimmune conditions and was in so much pain, I panicked about what my future would be like. After trying numerous pills and procedures, my doctor told me to follow a raw vegan protocol with a high success rate in reversing issues like mine. I struggled following the rules because I didn't like the recipes I was provided. So I created recipes to my liking and wrote them down so I could make them again. With my recipes and following the doctor's guidelines, I can happily report that all my autoimmune conditions are a thing of the past. I have been able to regain strength, enjoy life again, and even reverse type 1 diabetes antibodies, proven with before and after blood tests. This book includes the Healing Raw Protocol Guidelines, my favorite raw vegan recipes that healed me, most with no nuts, that are high in omega-3 healing fats, micronutrients, antioxidants, prebiotics, phytochemicals, and lots of fiber. You asked for it and now it's available. You will learn why a raw diet is able to heal and why other diets fail, how long a person needs to stick to this diet to recover, how to ensure you're consuming enough protein, if dried fruit is okay to eat, if coffee or tea are appropriate drinks, which teas don't leach microplastics into your water, what to do if you can't tolerate flax seeds, if there is a limit on fruit, how to stay on a raw vegan diet in the cold winter months, which cooked foods you can eat even if they aren't raw and still heal, how to get family and friends to eat raw meals, how to make a raw vegan diet easier and stick to it, how to get rid of nausea, how much of your calories should come from fat, and how to locate doctors who use nutrition to heal. I also include the exact products to make my recipes, such as which brand of raw vegan nori sheets, raw cacao powder, and dehydrator I use. The majority of these recipes are compliant with Dr. Brooke Goldner's Goodbye Autoimmune Protocol. There are low-fat and low-carb options. It's available in paperback on Amazon and electronically on Kindle. Order your copy through my website, thehighfivediet.com. Let me know if you have any questions.